3 years ago, Maya was stuck in a dead-end job, felt disconnected from her friends and family, and struggled with self-doubt. Today, she's an entrepreneur with a thriving business, surrounded by a supportive community, and wakes up every day with purpose and passion. What changed? Just one thing: her commitment to self-improvement. We're diving deep today into the transformative power of self-improvement and how it can be the secret key to unlocking a winning life. Now, what do we mean by winning in life? It's not just about money or fame. It's about happiness, fulfillment, achieving your personal goals, and crafting a life you're proud to live. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button for more content. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So, why is self-improvement so crucial? Think of it this way. Just like a car needs regular servicing to run smoothly, our minds and souls need constant tuning and upgrading to perform at their best. Imagine two plants. One is regularly watered, exposed to sunlight, and nurtured. The other is neglected. Which one do you think will thrive? Similarly, those who invest in self-improvement tend to lead richer, more fulfilling lives. They're better equipped to handle challenges, more adaptable to change, and often enjoy a deeper sense of purpose and satisfaction. But don't just take my word for it. Studies have continuously shown the benefits of self-improvement. For instance, a research study from Harvard University highlighted that lifelong learners, or those who continually engage in self-improvement activities, are 23% more likely to stay employed and are generally happier in their personal and professional lives. Another study published in the Journal of Self and Identity found that individuals who engaged in self-reflective practices experienced higher levels of self-esteem and confidence. The difference is clear. Investing in oneself isn't just about personal growth. It's about enhancing every aspect of your life, from your career to your relationships. The journey of self-improvement not only enriches our individual lives, but also positively impacts everyone we interact with. Let me tell you an interesting story. A curious researcher named Dr. Masaru Emoto decided to investigate the power of human intention and emotion. He believed that human consciousness could directly affect the molecular structure of water. He began his experiment with 3 glass jars, each filled with an equal amount of cooked rice and water. He labeled the first jar love, the second hate, and left the third one without any label as a control. Every day, Dr. Emoto spoke to the jars. To the love jar, he uttered kind and affectionate words like, "Thank you" and "I love you." To the hate jar, he expressed anger, disdain, and negative emotions, saying things like, "I hate you" or "You're an idiot." The control jar was completely ignored, neither receiving love nor hate. Weeks passed, and a fascinating change started to manifest. The rice in the love jar remained relatively white and fresh. In stark contrast, the rice in the hate jar began to rot, turning black and moldy. The control jar also showed decomposition, but not as pronounced as the hate jar. Word of this experiment spread, and it inspired many to replicate the results in their own homes. So what are you telling yourself every day? Imagine an iceberg. The tip, what's visible above the water, represents our conscious mind, the thoughts and feelings we're immediately aware of. But below the surface, there's so much more. This submerged portion signifies our subconscious, housing beliefs, past experiences, and emotions we might not even know exist. To truly grow, we need to delve deep and bring these submerged aspects to light. That's where self-awareness plays a pivotal role. It helps us uncover and understand our strengths, weaknesses, beliefs, motivations, and emotions. So, how can we become more self-aware and recognize areas that need improvement? Here are a few steps. Journaling. Make it a habit to write down your thoughts, feelings, and reactions to daily events. Over time, patterns will emerge, revealing areas of growth. Self-reflective questions. Ask yourself regularly, what did I learn today? What challenged me? What could I have done better? Mindfulness practices. Meditation, for example, can help you become more attuned to your inner thoughts and feelings. But self-awareness isn't just an inward journey. Feedback from the external world is invaluable. Friends, family, and colleagues often see us from perspectives we might overlook. Engaging in open conversations, seeking constructive criticism, and even just listening to casual comments can offer insights into areas where we can improve. Remember, identifying areas of improvement isn't about dwelling on weaknesses. Instead, it's about recognizing opportunities for growth, enhancing strengths, and paving the path to a more fulfilling life. Knowing where you want to go is half the battle. This brings us to one of the cornerstones of self-improvement: setting clear goals. Goals act as our roadmap, guiding us in the right direction. Without them, we risk wandering aimlessly or worse, moving in circles. But it's not enough to have vague aspirations. They need to be crystal clear. That's where the SMART goals come in. Pinpoint what you want to achieve. Instead of, I want to be fit, try, I want to run a 5K. Determine how you'll track progress. For instance, I want to read 30 pages a day. Set goals that are challenging yet attainable with your current resources and constraints. Ensure your goals align with your larger life objectives and values. Assign a deadline. I'll learn basic Spanish in 3 months. Remember, without goals and plans to reach them, you are like a ship that has set sail with no destination. Now, once you have your goals set, the power of visualization can't be stressed enough. By vividly imagining achieving your goals, you create a powerful emotional connection. This not only motivates you, but also carves neural pathways in the brain that enhance the likelihood of success. Setting goals sets the direction, but how do we keep moving forward? Enter habits. Our daily habits, often operating below our conscious awareness, shape the trajectory of our lives. Think of habits as the individual links in a chain. Over time, they forge the path to our goals. While some habits propel us forward, others might hold us back. So how do we replace detrimental habits with empowering ones? Start small. If you're trying to quit smoking, begin by reducing 1 cigarette a day. If you aim to exercise more, start with just 10 minutes daily. Over time, these small steps can lead to significant transformations. For those looking for a deep dive into the science and application of habits, I highly recommend The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. It offers fascinating insights into why habits form and how they can be reshaped to craft the life we desire. One of the most profound shifts you can make on your self-improvement journey is embracing the concept of lifelong learning. Remember, the world is constantly evolving, and so should we. In the realm of personal growth, Carol Dweck's research stands out. She introduced 2 powerful terms: growth mindset and fixed mindset. People with a fixed mindset believe their abilities are set in stone. They think they're born with a certain level of intelligence or talent, and that's that. On the other hand, those with a growth mindset believe abilities can be developed through dedication and effort. They're not deterred by setbacks. Instead, they see them as opportunities to learn and grow. So how can we foster this love for learning and maintain a growth mindset? Embrace challenges. Step out of your comfort zone regularly. Learn from criticism. Constructive feedback is a goldmine for personal growth. Celebrate others' success. Instead of feeling threatened, be inspired by others' achievements. It'll push you to reach greater heights. Now, while mindset plays a pivotal role, the connection between our mental and physical well-being is undeniably intertwined. A sound mind thrives in a sound body, and vice versa. Mental wellness is paramount. Here are some actionable tips. Regular meditation can drastically reduce stress and increase clarity of thought. Putting your thoughts on paper can be therapeutic and offers a fresh perspective. Seeking professional help isn't a sign of weakness. It's a step toward understanding and healing. And let's not forget our physical health. It's the vessel that carries us through life's journey. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and adequate rest are not just essentials, they are the foundations upon which our mental resilience is built. The journey of self-improvement is a lifelong one, filled with challenges and victories. But it's a journey worth embarking on. As the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Don't wait for a perfect moment. Start your self-improvement journey today. We'd love to hear from you. Share your self-improvement stories, challenges, or victories in the comments below. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more empowering content. With that said, thanks for watching and take care. Until next time, keep growing.